स्किन मेरी भी विजिबल नहीं है।
नहीं, यहाँ सब क्लियर है।
Actually, I'm not comfortable. Where shall I go? Better, much better, much better.
सर टोंग एंड कर्लर इज सिमिलर।
Yes, उसको पुरानी लैंग्वेज में टोंग बोलते हैं. That is pretty old. Now we call it curler. Okay. So side
So this
section
is
का मैंने.
iconic curler. Iconic curler.
What is the brand? I'll tell you one minute. This is by D and O. And इसके अंदर we have settings also. You can use the biggest one, and also you have the. You get 4 variations in that, like 4 sizes. I'm using the biggest. Is it the biggest?
हम लोग को ग्रुप में डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी क्या सर?
बेशक मिल
हाँ मिल जाएगी.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going round and round, and one more, and I'm simply moving my hand. I'm not being stable. I am moving my hand. I'm not being stable. I'm moving my hand, and spray.
सर आपने इस पे पहले स्प्रे किया है, कुछ लगाया है बालों पर?
नहीं, अभी लगा रहा हूँ. Hair spray.
मैम थोड़ा स्माइल करोगे तो ज्यादा अच्छे लगोगे.
Can I know who is that speaking?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm a beginner. I want to know कि आपने तो इतने सारे पैलेट, कॉन्टूर के लिए अलग, आई शेडो के लिए कुछ एक कॉमन, जैसे बिगनर है तो इतना सारा तो बाय नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो कुछ स्पेसिफिक की जो सबके लिए यूज हो जाए, मतलब.
आपको देखिए मैम, कॉन्टूर किट जो है मैंने जो आपको दिखाया, आप उसको सोलो शेड में भी ले सकते हैं. यू कैन बाय इट सोलो ओनली फॉर योरसेल्फ. दैट कैन वर्क.
मुझे तो नाम ही याद नहीं हो रहे इनके.
पैलेट लेने की, अरे तो आप पहला वीडियो देख रहे हो ना. यू हैव टू बी कांस्टेंट विद इट. आपको याद आ जाएगा. You have to be regular with the things. आप लोगों को ये दिख रहा है जो मैं कर रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you don't have to buy all the palettes. You can only buy one shade and that will do all the work, I believe. Just buy the darkest color of contouring and use it. Okay.
Sir, what about
आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
आई शेडो के लिए भी कोई, मतलब
अगर आई शेडो, आपका आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है मैम.
एक्चुअली नेटवर्क इशू है सर
जी, अभी आ रही है.
हाँ वही, एक्चुअली आई शेडो के लिए भी जैसे आपने तो बहुत अलग अलग उससे बहुत कुछ लेते रहे, और मतलब तो कुछ स्पेसिफिक रहता है क्या आई शेडो और इसके किस में भी?
आपको आई शेडो सिंगल्स भी मिल जाएंगे.
सर
आपको आई शेडो सिंगल्स भी मिल जाएंगे.
Okay.
आपको सिंगल भी मिल जाएगा, बट आई वुड रिकमेंड कि आप छोटा पैलेट लें. ये दिखाइए एक मिनट. हाँ, see you have smaller palette here and show me the bigger palette. और जो बड़ा पैलेट मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी दिखाया वो भी है. तो ये आपके कंफर्ट जोन पे है, आपके बजट के ऊपर है. If you think this is what fixes your budget, you can go with this. If it doesn't, then you can go for a bigger one. It is completely your choice. See, like this. बट आई वुड से कि अगर आप पैलेट लेंगे तो वो आपको कंफर्टेबल होगा, वो आपको बजट फ्रेंडली भी है, और आपको बहुत सारे कलर्स भी मिलते हैं. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट गो फॉर अ पैलेट. सॉरी,
आई शेडो में कौन सी कंपनी के अच्छे रहते हैं?
आई शेडो देखिए हमारे पास जो है आई मैजिक व्हिच इज रियली नाइस. आफ्टर दिस वी हैव क्रायलॉन, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी नाइस. देन वी हैव फॉरएवर 52 व्हिच इज गुड. अगेन हुडा ब्यूटी के आई शेडोज आर नाइस, आई शुड से दैट.
हुडा ब्यूटी के आई शेडो अच्छे हैं?
जी हाँ, बेशक अच्छे हैं, बट ओरिजिनल्स या वी माइंड होल्डिंग.
सर ओरिजिनल और डुप्लीकेट पहचाने कैसे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में?
उसके लिए मैं एक आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो फॉर दैट someday. That is a big topic.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
सर हम कर्ली बैक से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे क्या?
नहीं, मैंने
ये
साइड.
कर्ल करना.
I am starting from
हाँ.
side.
Okay, on one side, right?
हाँ, see, I'll tell you what, there is no rule in makeup, trust me. आपको जो भी comfortable लगे, you can do that. Just the thing is that follow the right procedure. There is no rule in makeup, trust me.
Like I want to be very frank. मुझे अभी तक ये concealer, foundation and this corrector and highlighter ये बिल्कुल मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मैं फाउंडेशन एक ही यूज करती हूँ, तो मुझे इतना सारा आइटम लाइक मैं इसे पहचानूंगी कैसे, मुझे ये भी नहीं आइडिया है.
क्या फाउंडेशन शेड?
नहीं तो एक कंसीलर एंड दिस कॉन्टूर
मैम
ऑल दोस थिंग्स.
सी, आप तुरंत कुकिंग नहीं सीखते, राइट? यू लर्न इट वेरी ग्रेजुअली. आपने आज दाल बनाया, आपको फिर समझ में आया कि दाल में आई थिंक हल्दी ज्यादा हो गई है, सो इवेंचुअली नेक्स्ट डे आप हल्दी कम डालोगे. आपको फिर पता चलेगा कि शायद हम अगर टमाटर डालें तो दाल ज्यादा यमी होती है. सो इन द सेम वे अगर मेकअप में भी अगर आप कांस्टेंट रहेंगे, इफ यू विल कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, यू विल रियलाइज बाय योरसेल्फ व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज दैट एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला.
Okay, thank you. Surely I'll try. Thank
You
you.
must.
हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो
Yes.
सर, अगर हमारे बाल हेयर क्वालिटी ये है, रफ है, ड्राई है एंड फ्रिजी है, तो क्या करें? ड्राई एंड फ्रिजी है तो क्या करें?
I would suggest to go for a hair mask. हर week आप hair mask लगाएं. That really helps.
Which
to,
hair?
Which hair mask? I
Which hair mask?
have hair mask by Be Blunt. मतलब जो मैं personally use करता हूँ, it is by Be Blunt and it is really nice. मैं उसका भी photo आप सबको share कर दूँगा, don't worry.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
And which shampoo? Which shampoo, sir?
Shampoo, I would say. Wait, I'll tell you the brand name. I forgot. उसमें से देखो, what is the spelling? The green one, nature. I'll just show you. 1 minute. Can you all see this? Not slow का. पकड़ो. आपको दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice bouncy it is.
हाँ, I'll make it.
आपने जो कर्लर यूज किया है अभी, वो कितने नंबर का है सर?
क्या नंबर है उसका? Give me 1 minute. Can you all please be quick? I said show me the इसका all the sizes. Where are the sizes? मैंने बोला आपको दिखाओ. Give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll show you everything. So उधर से लेके आओ, दिखाओ, show me. So this is this the frame? इतना ही है ना? Okay. So this is the color. इसके अंदर we have this. I think this is number 5. This is number 2, and then we have number 1, number 3, number 4, number 5. दिख रहा है आपको? Can you see that? Here.
हाँ,
sir,
दिख रहा है.
yes.
फिर सारे एक ही में आ जाते हैं. फिर
हाँ,
सेटिंग्स चेंज करने हैं.
डिटैचेबल है ये. आप इसको डिटैच करके इसमें अटैच कर सकते हो.
ओके ओके सर.
जी.
थैंक यू.
हाँ, पकड़ो. You're most welcome.
Sir, which shampoo?
Now I'm हाँ शैम्पू में दिखा रहा हूँ. 1 मिनट ला रही है वो. See, I like L'Oreal का red edition, which is really color protection. It is. हाँ, I like. See, there are so many brands कि इतना मुझे याद करने में दिक्कत होता है. But I like L'Oreal and there is Matrix, which is good. Plus Be Blunt. Be Blunt has lovely shampoo and conditioners.
सर प्रैक्टिस के लिए प्रोडक्ट नहीं है हमारे पास. ऑनलाइन में कैसे मतलब करेंगे ये सब?
Be Blunt में? Yeah, of course.
Sir, L'Oreal का कौन सा? Sir, L'Oreal का कौन सा?
L'Oreal Tresemme. L'Oreal, sorry, not Tresemme. L'Oreal red वाला जो आता है, I don't know the name. Color protection.
Color protect.
Yeah, I really like that.
लेकिन सर वो तो कलर जो कलर कर रखे हो जिसने हेयर, उसके लिए होगा ना?
हाँ जी, तो आपको so you should understand that just because it is for color protection, इसका मतलब उसके अंदर proteins और जो भी उसका nutrient है, that is more, because colored hair थोड़े damaged होते हैं. That is why the amount of nutrients in colored hair is much more than normal shampoos.
Okay.
And can we please talk about makeup and hair rather than asking shampoo and body scrub and wash? That would be nicer, I think. Ask me कि आप ये कैसे कर रहे हो. Please don't ask me all that personal questions.
हाँ,
हाँ?
आप जो कर्लर कर रहे हो, कर्लर कलर जो लिया है आपने उसका
जी।
बॉक्स पीछे रखा हुआ है, क्या वो शो दिखा सकते हो सर?
आपके लिए ही रखा है, वो आ रहा है आगे, आ रहा है
सो
दिखा।
आप इनर साइड कलर कर रहे हैं या आउटर साइड में?
This I'm going outer.
आउटर.
That's a good question. Very good question. I'm surprised. I'm happy.
सो वन मोर थिंग, आप ये पूरे कर्ल्स को आप वापस स्प्रे करेंगे?
No, 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 no.
ओनली वन. ओके.
Only one.
अगर मुझे दिस विल बी टेम्पररी, फॉर हाउ मेनी आवर्स इट विल लास्ट?
This will last for 6 hours.
6 आवर्स. ओके. अगर मुझे थोड़ा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग चाहिए तो हल्का सा स्प्रे करेंगे?
Yes.
ओके.
नहीं, 6 hours spray. Without spray तो ये 1 घंटा भी नहीं रुकेगा.
अच्छा,
Without spray this will
तो
not.
स्प्रे करना ही पड़ेगा.
Yes.
हाँ.
और अगर आपको चाहिए कि वो थोड़ा और देर stay करे, so I would recommend using a. Where's the brush? I would recommend using water spray first. मतलब पानी spray
Okay.
कर, मतलब see this is a section.
हाँ.
Spray water on this and then curl and then spray your.
एक शो कर सकते हैं सर, वैसे करते?
Yes, I can. Water spray. Where's water spray? Where it is?
सर
Yes.
हाँ, बाल कर्ल करने से बाल बहुत छोटे दिखते हैं, राइट?
Yes.
लाइक मतलब थोड़े अपर हो जाते हैं, तो हेयर स्ट्रेटिंग का क्या ओपिनियन है आपका? लाइक हेयर स्ट्रेटिंग कैसा है, लाइक स्ट्रेट वाला हेयर?
Hair straightening is good, but again, I think everybody has done hair straightening once in their life. सबने करवाया ही है. So I think hair straightening is way too old now. But in case अगर आपके hair curly हैं, then go for straightening because वो आपके लिए थोड़ा सा different हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
It is all personal choice. I think ये एक personal question है. वो आपका choice है, आपको जो भी मन करे. So I don't think I am the right person to answer this. It is you.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Okay. अच्छा हाँ, आपको पानी स्प्रे मैं दिखाता हूँ 2 मिनट.
हाँ.
One minute. Just Shunali, can you see what she's saying? Go there.
सर ये कर्ल्स आप सभी ओपन करेंगे इसके बाद में?
You are very
ये
smart.
ऐसे ही रखेंगे?
You are very smart. Hold this. Okay.
थैंक यू, लेकिन बताएंगे सर?
Why did I say you are smart? Because you are right. जी जी. तो आपने ये देखा?
सर सॉरी,
हाँ जी.
मेरा वीडियो रुक गया था सर एक्चुअली. मुझे वो कलर का बॉक्स दिखा सकते हैं सर?
हाँ, मैं उसी पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ, उसी पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ. मार्केट में कितना वर्क
कहाँ जा?
एंड वी आर सेलिंग इट फॉर?
नहीं सर, दिख नहीं रहा है.
हाँ, दिखेगा मैम.
कौन?
Dodo. This is Dodo or Doodoo, whatever you want to pronounce it as. दिख रहा है आपको मैम? Can you see this?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
तो इसका ये जो है, देखिए, दिस इज द कलर और इसके अंदर डिटैचेबल सेटिंग्स आते हैं इसके. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ वो. ये देखिए, 1, दिस इज द सेकंड वन व्हिच इज स्मॉलर, देन यू हैव अ लिटिल बिगर. होल्ड दिस. देन यू हैव वेरी स्मॉल वन जो आप देखते हैं ब्राइड्स के लिए साइड में कर्ल करते हैं, व्हिच इज डन विद दिस. उसके बाद ये है जो मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ. आफ्टर दिस यू हैव इससे भी बड़ा, नो सेम है ये. So it means you have 4 to 5 settings into this, and the best part about this is कि आपको ये market में you will get it for 5,500, but Pebina has this for only 2,500. We sell this in a very nice wholesale rate. Just a quick advertisement. And we
सर
also
अभी हम
have
बुक करेंगे तो
lovely
ये हमें
clothes.
मिलेगा?
जी
जी, हमें ये बुक करेगा तो हमें मिल जाएगा फेबिना से?
जरूर मिलेगा. Why not? और हमारे पास इसके क्रिम्पल सेट्स भी हैं, which is very nice ना. And I think मुझे पर्सनली इसका स्ट्रेटनर और टोंग काफी ज्यादा पसंद है एज कंपेयर टू द क्रिम्पिंग.
सर मेरे नंबर पे डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे क्या?
आप मैसेज कर देंगे लाइव के बाद तो मिल जाएगा. देखिए, मैंने इसको
Okay,
कोम
sir.
कर लिया. आई कोम्ड इट. वाटर स्प्रे
इस कांटेक्ट नंबर पे करना है सर मैसेज।
कौन सी कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर पे?
सर अभी जो इस
हाँ जी, ये पानी है। This is water, and now I'm doing this. See, this is the लाइफ में बहुत इरिटेटिंग क्वेश्चन पूछता है। Okay, say.
Sir, do you have waiver even?
Favor? Yes, we do.
Okay, it same company, Dudu?
No, no, not for sale. वो मेरा
नहीं selling के लिए I'm asking.
No, 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 we don't have it for sale. But I think we are going to avail that very, very soon.
Okay, sir.
क्या हुआ, ये बंद हो गया है क्या? Is this on? हाँ, but अरे ये बहुत okay, it's good. ठीक है. So after the water spray, I will hold this and I will keep on fixing it, rotating it. थोड़ा उधर देखना. Isha, look that side. Yeah, I hope they can see it.
ईशा
Okay, so I will hold it here. Please hold this. After this, I will spray here. I will spray this. And it will be. And the same I'm doing with this. Actually, इसको पीछे रखना है, so I will just do like this. And there are two methods of doing curls. First, you can either go, this is horizontal, this is vertical. Okay, you can either go vertical or you can go horizontal like this. और दोनों का difference आता है. Difference क्या है वो हम आपको next video में बताएंगे. Okay, we got the crimper.
which better than
I'm sorry.
which better than two methods?
No, no, no. Both of them are better. Both of them are better. It's just
Okay sir.
they give you different looks. और किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था एक सवाल. I'm sorry मैंने वो miss कर दिया. There was a guy asking it. Was it Vansh? कोई एक किसी ने एक सवाल पूछा था, मैंने वो मिस कर दिया. I'm sorry. आप वापस
सर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन बट कर्ल से पहले हमें क्या कोई हीट प्रोटेक्टर हेयर में यूज करना चाहिए?
जी हाँ, वो मुझसे गलती हो गई, मुझे माफ कर दीजिए, मैंने नहीं यूज किया, मैं भूल गया. But it is
It's
really,
okay, sir.
it is really important to use a heat protective serum. Spray. Sorry. Yeah, give me that. Okay. Now the last section, and we all are done with the final look.
Sir, which heat protective serum is best according to you?
I will show you that also. Where is that oil which I told you to show? Sorry, the shampoo green wala. Under here, it's not there. Okay. Heat protective serum. See, any brand is nice.
Okay.
Any brand is nice. It really gives you the same effect. But, huh? हाँ मैम.
Matrix is better than.
Green color का, turquoise green color का bottle है.
सर बेरीना
No. I'll tell you. So what was
Matrix.
it? No. OSIS plus. Sorry, OSIS plus.
Okay.
OSIS plus has the best hair products. Okay. ये देखिए ये हैं
OSIS.
हमारे curls. मैं थोड़ा सा इसको और I'll just use a bit. No, ma'am. It is light turquoise green. I forgot the brand, but it is very nice. We will put it on the group. ठीक है. You guys can see it. जी ma'am.
Yes sir.
Correct. Okay. So this is the final look. Look here. I am going to comb this with a little bit of spray. Show me that comb. Thank you. And the spray. So I'm going to spray a little bit of spray on this comb. And I will simply comb this. And
सर आपने कौन सा वाला स्प्रे यूज किया है?
it does not matter, Baba. See the technique. This one is by Oriflame Hair Supreme Hold Styling Hairspray.
ओके सर.
मेरी कॉफी
सर ऑलमोस्ट बोलते हैं कि ओसिस का ही स्प्रे यूज करना चाहिए.
जी सॉरी
ओसिस का स्प्रे यूज करना चाहिए बोलते हैं सभी. कई लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि ओसिस का ब्रांड तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, वो ले नहीं सकते, तो क्या वो दूसरा यूज कर सकते हैं?
मैम इट इज नॉट ओसिस, it is OSIS plus.
OSIS. Okay.
Yes, you can definitely use other brand, but अगर आप professionally देखा जाए तो that is really nice. Again, if you want to go for a cheaper brand, this is cheap, it is in budget, and it is really nice.
Okay sir.
Again, you have Nova करके एक है जो almost सबके पास है. Almost everybody has Nova. It is budget friendly, it is cheaper, and it is a must to have. I can say सबके पास है, मेरे पास है. I think you should also have it. No?
सर बेरिना के प्रोडक्ट ठीक नहीं है?
किसके?
बेरिना.
I never heard about this. I'm sorry.
Zarina.
बेरिना.
What is that happening? अच्छा ठीक है. So as you guys see this, I am going to slightly open it from my hand. One curl, I'm going to open it from my hand. And the same I will repeat every side. Because I don't want the curls to be very much visible. And then I'm going to keep the hair in front. Here. Do you see the difference now?
Yeah, it's looking very natural.
Yeah.
She is looking very beautiful.
Sir,
Thank you.
sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes. yes.
वॉल्यूम ज्यादा हो जाता है इसका ओपन करने के बाद में.
हो जाता है
हेयर्स के
but
वॉल्यूम. हाँ.
जी. It is always hair. It is never hairs. First thing.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah.
Second thing, अगर आप स्प्रे करेंगे तो आपका वॉल्यूम चला जाएगा. So always spray little. मैंने स्प्रे किया है, इसके लिए खोलने पे मेरा वॉल्यूम चला गया है, but मुझे वॉल्यूम से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है इस लुक में. My most important concern is the curls. So अगर आपको वॉल्यूम चाहिए तो use a little bit of spray, not too much, जैसे मैंने यूज किया.
Okay, sir, I have a question. जैसे एक बहुत सारी लेडीज की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो क्राउन एरिया जो है वो काफी गैप रहता है वहाँ पे, मतलब क्राउन एरिया. हाँ,
I can hear you.
हम लोग वॉल्यूम वहाँ पे कैसे दिखाएं?
Crimping. What is the time?
5:45.
And the class is still?
6:30.
No, I want to drink chai, guys. क्या आप लोग रुक सकते हो क्या 5 मिनट बस?
Yes, we can.
This is ma'am, detachable है ना? Okay. So we have this. Oh, I am seeing. Okay. So we have this detachable crimping plus ironing machine by IVO, which I personally like. Iska setup I have to recheck because it's been a while I use this. And today I
So
did
price?
for 4 months. Price na?
So price.
Price. ये 4 in 1 है. Okay, there are 4 types of crimping in this. मैं भी वो आपको बताता हूँ. मैम ये खुलते कैसे, मैं भूल गया. Where is the button? Oh, this one. I forgot. अरे यार, I forgot. This is little tricky. है ना? Thank you so much.
It's a green tea, sir.
Unfortunately, it is not. I wanted it. So दिखा दो. I wanted it to be green, but it's brown. It's not green. How can we open this, for God's sake? The price, its market value around 3,500, 5,000. So the market value is 5,000. Okay. Oh, how nice, how nice. Okay. That sounds good. That sounds good. So this one was for 5,500, but here we have it for 2,100, which is a good offer. How shall I open this? Somebody's saying. Okay, she will open it for me, please. Thank you. Oh, my mic. Yeah. Okay. So that's the look for today. Where are the earrings?
Sir, all the details will get it on the WhatsApp, price and all.
I said so, yes.
Okay.
And I'm using this jewelry, which is also by us, which is by Fabina. Here.
फेबिना का कोई सर पेज है क्या सर
जी. We will send it to
इंस्टाग्राम
you.
पर?
Yes, we have.
या ओके सर आपका पेज देखा बहुत अच्छा था सर.
Thank you so much.
लुक्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं उसमें.
Thank you so
फॉलो
much.
करिए.
So for Fabina, we have Fabina Jewelry, Fabina Group of Foundation, and Fabina Group. Fabina Group.
Okay.
3 pages.
Okay.
Fabina Jewelry, you can check out the jewelry. Okay, what is it done? मैं तब तक आपको दिखा देता हूँ उसके बारे में जो बोल रहा था वॉल्यूम के लिए. वॉल्यूम के लिए हम यूज करते हैं क्रिम्पिंग मशीन. So crimping machine usually has this texture. So this is like this. So once you crimp the
Yeah.
hair, it gives you a zigzag texture, and that brings out a volume to you. Now in this we have a setting that is 1. उसके बाद we have a little bit of smaller setting, and then
So
we
this
have,
is stainless steel or which ceramic?
let me check about this. Oh, what a fool I am. इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, इसके ऊपर डालेगा क्या? Okay. Curler. So I have to put it above this. No. Okay. I got it. इसका पीछे है. I got it. It is behind.
कांग्रेट्स सर.
Thank you. बहुत स्ट्रगल हुआ, but I did it. ठीक है. तो ये पीछे की खुलते में बहुत खुशी हो रही है मुझे. So we open it.
डेफिनेटली ये सिरेमिक नहीं है फिर.
क्या है?
डेफिनेटली ये सिरेमिक का नहीं है फिर.
I don't know. I have to read that and I can tell you. So, 1 minute. Give me a minute. I think I should be using this smaller one, the very, very small one. इसके अंदर settings से आपको सबसे बड़ा भी आएगा, and you can get a smaller one also. 4 sizes. There are 4 sizes. So I think I'm using the smaller. Plus straightener also. Wow. What else do you want? I think I should not use the smallest because आपको difference नहीं दिखेगा. So I will use the one which is not even big, which is medium. I think इसका कहाँ है ये क्या? Okay, so I think I'm using the medium one. I'm going to fix it here. इसके पीछे से. I think I can use this. 1 minute. Okay, perfect. I think I got it. Okay, here. Now this. Done. The same this side. इसको हटाएंगे, फिर आगे से ये हटाएंगे. We will put this here. इसके पीछे से ये.
Sir is genius. Huh?
Sorry. You guys are making me emotional. Please don't. अरे यार क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Something is wrong. See, one important thing I would like to teach all of you here is that
वीडियो रुक गया क्या सबका?
हाँ जी।
the one
रुक गया है।
important thing that I would like to teach everybody here is that patience,
क्या हुआ?
सब्र जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा लेसन है। अगर आपके अंदर सब्र है, अगर आप पेशेंस है आपके अंदर, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं दुनिया में। So always have patience. And because of this number of questions, मैं ये सारी चीजें बताना भूल गया। And the same goes in makeup, the same goes in cooking, the same goes in shopping. If you have patience, you buy good product. Can you please put this? ये दिखाना है क्या? आप सबको देखना है क्या ये? I will share. Can they hear me? Can you see me? Oh my God, I'm so tired. Okay, shall we play with colors now? थोड़ा सा time है हमारे पास तो हम कुछ colors के साथ खेल सकते हैं। Are you guys ready for that? Where is the thing? Sugar Cosmetics. कोई पूछ रहा था कि हमको all in one चाहिए। ये देखिए, we have the blusher. कौन पूछ रहा था वो सवाल? सवाल किसका था?
हाँ सर।
बहुत गुस्से में थे आप अभी।
नहीं।
देखो, we have a shade which is neutral to almost all the skin tone. We have a highlighter. Sorry, not weekdays. And they have a blusher. This is the contour. This is the highlighter. That's
सर एक क्वेश्चन है, जो आपने कंटूर किया था सर, उसके बाद में जो ब्लशर यूज किया था, द ब्लशर इज आल्सो नॉट ऑफ पिंक कलर।
yeah, it's not pink.
या
See, वही तो benefit है अगर आपके पास पूरा kit है. That is the profit. You don't have only one color. You have multiple. You can use whatever you want.
यस।
अभी I am going to see. I would suggest कि आप lipstick निकाल के इसके ऊपर लगाएं, but because we don't have that much of time, मैं इसी के ऊपर लगा रहा हूँ. I do not suggest this. I suggest कि आप उसको निकाल के लगाएं, but I'm doing it just for you.
सर हुडा ब्यूटी के लिपस्टिक्स अच्छे हैं सर।
तीन सवाल कितनी बार? No, it's not good. And it's too expensive. What is that? Huh? This is not the pink that I used at the first place. Where is that pink? Oh, thank you. Do you guys want to see the crimping part, Tatak? Yes? Okay. Can you show it on your hair, please? Thank you. For 2 minutes. Thank you so much. Come. So she's my student. Say hi. ठीक है.
Hi.
So, do you mind holding this? Come this way, please. Thank you. And she's Manjari. She's my assistant for the day. Say hi.
Hello.
All right. So, मैं आपको I think we put it here. Great. All right. Where's the comb? Here is the comb. ठीक है. So, you'll do your section. Do you mind looking this side? Thank you so much. All right. So I am going to take one small section. Please remember कि आपके sections छोटे होने चाहिए. Do not take bigger sections at all. And from this side. उसको वहाँ पे पकड़ना, please. Put your hand there. Yeah, please just hold it. And just hold it for a little while. Is it working? Is it hot enough? नहीं वो और गर्म होगा because तुरंत हो जाता है वो. Just give it like 5 minutes to heat up. And after 5 minutes, oh shit. Are you okay? I think we have to do the settings again. Please switch it off. Yeah.
सर आई थिंक हम यहाँ पे इस ड्रॉप आउट करके हम मेकअप के बारे में कुछ और नॉलेज मिल जाता तो
Yes, I think that would be better. Let's do the promotional
Like,
activity later. Can you please press?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you so much. I'll definitely do it on you some other day. Thank you for joining. Thank you. The model Isha ji, please. Are you okay? It's hot. Are you okay? Give us something now. Give that spray to us. Are you fine? Okay. So we were going to change it. Where is the pink lipstick that we were supposed to do? Pink. Is that only? Show. See again. हाँ pink दिख तो रहा है. दिख रहा है pink. अच्छा in real I can't see it. Okay. You are right.
Sir,
Please, yes.
which brands of
Beautiful.
lipsticks are good, sir?
There are so many brands that have good lipstick. I personally like these days Sugar Cosmetics. They are amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Along with that, I would say, I'm sorry. Along with that, I would say Faces Canada have good lipstick. And then Too Faced Cosmetics have good lipstick. And then
Huda.
L'Oreal has, please go away from Huda, guys. MAC has good lipstick.
Sir,
Yes. Estee
sir,
Lauder has
brides
good
के
lipstick.
लिए ब्राइडल्स के लिए ग्लॉसी लिपस्टिक का अच्छा रहेगा या मैट फिनिश?
I think वो आप उस ब्राइड को पूछोगे तो वो आपको बेटर आंसर दे देगी because it is her choice.
सर कई ब्राइड्स कहते हैं कि जैसे मेरे फेस को सूट हो वैसे कर दीजिए.
So that is your choice. But I think you should go for matte because these days matte is trending.
Yeah.
But अगर आप eyes थोड़ी सी glossy कर रही हैं तो lipstick matte रखिए. अगर आप eyes matte रख रही हैं तो lipstick थोड़ी सी glossy. Can you? Perfect.
सर क्या मेकअप 20-30 मिनट्स में फिनिश कर सकते हैं?
I can finish makeup in 7 minutes. That is the biggest thing I achieved in my life once.
Wow,
Okay.
great, sir.
So that is pink lipstick. Show a side view. Look down. I'm sorry, मुझे यहाँ पे हाथ नहीं लगाना चाहिए था. I messed it up. Okay, that's the look in pink. थोड़ा सा look change हुआ. बोलो हाँ. Give me red
Yes,
lipstick
sir.
now.
हाँ.
Now I'll show red, and this is the pack up. This is the last. I am tired now.
Sir,
Okay.
close up look.
Close up. I will. 1 minute. Let the look complete. Smile, please. Show your teeth. More teeth. Sorry, थोड़ा मैंने उसको taste कराया unintentionally. Okay, that's the look in pink, and I think I want to click a picture for my Instagram. Can I click a picture? मेरे चैनल से लाइव जाओगे प्लीज मेरे फोन से. Thank you. I should entertain my followers also, yaar. You guys are only having fun, which is bad. Just a second. Right.
iPhone 11.
हाँ, iPhone, you are right. This is iPhone.
Perfect.
It has to be, of course. All right. So I'm joking, guys. Please don't judge me on all this. Mazak. Okay, now we are going with red lipstick. I will not suggest to put any lipstick uske top pe, but just for a while. Mhm. Okay, we have last 10 minutes. किसी को कोई सवाल है तो आप कर सकते हो.
सवाल नहीं है सर, एक बात बोलना चाहूंगी.
जी बोलिए.
सर एक्चुअली आपके साथ इतनी देर से जुड़े हैं फिर भी बोर नहीं हो रहा है. कई ऑनलाइन क्लास ऐसे होते हैं कि वहीं पे नींद आने लगती है 1
I am
आवर के
so
ऊपर गए
happy
तो.
to hear this. Thank you. Love you. Thank you so
एक्चुअली
much.
रियली सर, थैंक यू
I'm
सो मच. हमें बोलना चाहिए थैंक यू.
You're welcome.
Adarsh, you have some advanced classes in next time on Saturdays and Sundays.
These are my students. Sir, please flip the camera.
Yeah. No, on Saturdays and
Sunday.
Sundays. Yeah,
Sorry,
because we
Nasra.
are working. We are
Please.
working.
We don't have for now, but I think we can think about it.
Yeah, please think for us because I am doing this part time and I'm working as a teacher in school, so I don't have that much time
Okay. You're a teacher?
to go for the regular classes. So for me, if it is there, please do
Miss Smile? Definitely,
remind it.
I will think
Yeah.
about it. Are you talking about live or offline? Smile?
Live also and offline also, anything will do.
Can you please message on the group? I will definitely get back
Yes,
to you.
yes. Yeah, definitely, sir.
Thank you.
So,
Ji.
you can give me suggestions if I send you some pictures on it.
मेरे को ये personally
Makeup.
पूछना because everybody will send me pictures then.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
सर अभी जो हम यहाँ पे जूम मीटिंग में जुड़े हुए हैं, सबका
जी.
ग्रुप बनेगा क्या अभी?
आप अगर चाहेंगे तो बनाएंगे.
सर बना दीजिए.
बनाना है क्या सर? I will let you know about that. Because this is not under my hand. Ji. हाँ, if you guys take admissions, we have the group automatically.
Okay, sir.
We have so nice students. They answer from my behalf. I'm so blessed to get you. Trust me. I'm really amazed. ठीक है. So मैं क्यों नहीं बोल रहा था ये लगाने के लिए because इतना सारा matte product on top it becomes very cracky. It does not become smooth at all. आपको ये बिल्कुल भी smooth नहीं दिखेगा. But it is just for you to realize colors. सिर्फ आपके वो colors recommendation के लिए है. मैंने पहले ही बोला है मैं ये recommend नहीं करता हूँ. Please go solo. If you don't like the color, wipe it off. But किसी के ऊपर दूसरा color मत लगाइए. This is just for camera.
सर अभी जो आप इनके लिप्स पे लगा रहे हैं
जी.
टॉप ऑन टॉप, तो इनके लिप्स के लिए कोई हार्मफुल तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं, because मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया था पहले. I mean lip balm. Smile.
ओके सर.
हार्मफुल कब होगा जब आप उसको बिना निकाले सो जाएंगे. मैम, रेड लिपस्टिक. That is Rajni ma'am's favorite color. And this is especially because of her. Okay. You do, trust me. आपकी lips मैम इतने they are so beautiful. Any color looks nice on it, trust me. Can you smile bigger? A little face out more, smile. Perfect. Smile more. Smile more. So, look. Do you see her lower lips look bigger? Give me the cotton pad. Smile a bit. Smile a bit. Smile more. I have to clean your teeth. Smile. I'm so sorry. Yeah, perfect. अभी मैं इनकी लिप्स पहले से भी बड़े कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको डिफरेंस दिखे. This is clearly extra, just for education. Smile. करो. Perfect. Sure. Yeah. I think I need to stand.
So
Ji.
whenever I apply lipsticks, so once the shape of one side goes away, means it is not a perfect one. What to do for that?
मैंने जानबूझ के एक्स्ट्रा लगाया, ठीक है? I will show you what to do.
Okay.
मुझे भी AC चाहिए. Please 16. It's very hot.
1 cup coffee for sir.
Thank you. Who is that sweet person? Sweet 16, like my age. 16. Don't hate me for this. Concealer brush and concealer. तो जानबूझ के लगाया मैम. Look at this mess. It is so easy. आप लोगों को बताओ, मैं आप लोग घर पे बैठे हो, you are watching this home and look at our setup. Look at this mess. पीछे देखो. And I have to clean all this by myself because I don't have my assistant today, apart from these two beautiful girls who are helping me out today. So lucky you all are. No reply? Give me her
This
own.
mess is every time, na sir?
I'm sorry.
Sir?
Yeah.
This mess is always na whenever we are working. This is not a mess. This is a
Thank you, ma'am.
creativity.
This is every time, trust me, and it's so annoying.
Yeah, it shows us our creations, creativity.
That is right. This is 28. I think this should do, yeah. Okay. By using a concealer brush, I will conceal her lipstick. Lipstick, not lipstick. Actually, give me 1 minute. Lipstick now, okay? Smile.
Flag.
हाँ करो. Okay. I do not recommend doing this much. It is just for entertainment. कि अगर आप उसको इतना out करेंगे तो कितना बड़ा lips दिखता है. Okay. Now, as we have this, we will simply conceal it with a concealer. Here, smile. See, I will conceal it here using a concealer. Beauty blender. Oh,
It gives extra sharpness to the lips there.
yes, it does. It does.
So
Yes.
we हमें करना चाहिए क्या सर शूट के वक्त में वगैरह?
हाँ, not every day.
नहीं, whenever we are doing shootings
I
और
would suggest yes. Concealer.
ब्राइडल्स में तो नहीं किए तो भी
नहीं, ब्राइडल्स में भी
For
करेंगे तो
bridals?
आपको अच्छा इफेक्ट दिखेगा.
अच्छा, okay.
Smile. Wait, I have to stand up for this. But this- Can you? Perfect. Leave it. Looks good. See, you see this side and you see this side.
Yeah.
There's a difference. I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
दोनों मैंने आउटलाइन किया है एक्स्ट्रा, बट यहाँ पे मैंने आउटलाइन आई मीन जो कॉर्नर है इनके लिप्स के वहां तक मैंने कलर लगाया है. So this area does not look so poppy, but this area definitely
Yeah.
looks good. So always when you're outlining, go this way. This was just for camera. This was just for your entertainment. Concealer. Can you smile a bit for me, please? Smile more. Smile more. Thank you. Here. Give me. Smile more. Can you all see that? Smile more. Perfect. हाँ.
So one more question from my side, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, eyeshadow, eye makeup, lips should go on matching. It should match.
Never.
Okay. If we can go for nude if we are doing a heavy makeup, eye makeup.
Definitely. That is what I said. मतलब मुझे same symmetric बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. So I'm going to take. हाँ. So what I was trying to say कि अगर आपको किसी के lips बहुत बड़े हैं already और अगर आपको छोटा करना है तो ये concealer आप जो lipstick है उसके थोड़ा सा और अंदर जाएंगे and you will try to make it smaller. These are just the extra tips that I'm telling you here.
Okay.
And you will blend it out.
Sir?
I think I have last 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Sir?
Give me 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Let me come back to you.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Smile, smile. Okay. Perfect. जी मैम. Okay. जी. Yes. All right. Thank you for reminding me. All right. So we have our classes starting from tomorrow, which is 17th of August. This will be a 1-month professional makeup artist course where I'll be teaching you in much nicer way than this in detail because you will be in front of me. But in case you're going live, you will be here anyway. It's just that I cannot see you, but you can see me. Okay. So we are starting this from tomorrow. It is going to be 1-month professional makeup artist course, जिसके अंदर आपको 10 तरह के makeup दिखाए जाएंगे with 10 variations. For example, मैंने अभी दिखाया आपको 10 makeup. I'm showing one bridal and I'm doing red lipstick. So after the look is done, I will change the lipstick color so that you see a variation. I will do a hairstyle और जिसके पास time है, they can wait in the class, they can wait in the live and they can see the part 2, which I'll be doing just in a couple of minutes to entertain all of you. And it is a certified course where you will be certified by me. and yeah, you can then start your journey and be happy with this glam game that you are all in. And along with that, if you do the course from us, we will be giving you all 100% original products from our side and at the rate of 5% discount. Right, ma'am? Yeah. Makeup brushes are nice. All of them are loving it. I too like it. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. All right. So जो brushes आपने देखे, they are here. Ta-da.
Yes.
Okay. So there are, I'll count. Chalo.
The price.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Everything is not about the price. Let me tell you, मैं जब से आप लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ, आप सब लोग सिर्फ price पूछ. It is not about the money. It is about the quality that people offer. It's not always about the money. Trust me, the quality that some products have, आप उसको 200 में भी ले सकते हो और same you can buy it for 2000. It is not always about the price. But I will tell you.
No. Very true, sir. But we have to check our pocket even.
I agree. So you can gradually have your budget and then go for it. और in every brand जैसे मैंने बोला उनके पास सोलो शेड भी होते हैं ना मैम. So like this palette मैं बता रहा हूँ, एक मिनट. Okay. Okay. जी. No problem. We will put it there. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
28.
29. I think it's not 29. This should have 30 brushes.
28.
30. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बड़े हैं, यहाँ पे there are smaller brushes. So here it is a set of 28 to 30 brushes and this is costing you 12,000 in market, but we are giving it for 9,000 and this is really professional. The products are really nice. They have so much of variations as you can see. There are brushes for everything, but जैसे किसी ने बोला कि आपका अगर बजट नहीं है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपको अगर फेस चाहिए तो आपके पास सिर्फ फेस का प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएगा. You will get only face products. If you want, you can get only eye products. आपके पास ये भी अवेलेबल है and I think you can customize also. और अगर किसी को कस्टमाइज करना है तो वो कस्टमाइज भी कर सकता है. अगर आपको सोलो चाहिए आप सोलो भी ले सकते हो. It is depending completely on your pocket, like you said. That was a good answer. जी मैम. Okay. Definitely. I think you guys heard that. Thank you so much. Yes, that was it today, for today. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope everybody enjoyed this look. Please give me your feedback.
I enjoyed this a lot and I love the makeup and I really like it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Smile a little.
It was very professional and I mean like the experiences I've had with him it's like really different, like the others were learning
Oh, that is so cute.
he was really good.
Thank
And he
you.
didn't let me be like I'm really bored or anything. He was very entertaining also at the same time.
That is me. I love to entertain people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Hello. Hello.
It looks natural, not that heavy. Like the lashes and all, because I used to apply the artificial ones, but then he's done it with my actual lashes, so that's really good. I like that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Smile.
Hello.
More.
Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you? And who are you? I mean, what's your name?
संदीप सर.
जी.
बढ़िया सर. कोर्स करने के बाद अब वैसे से जाएंगे क्या?
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही सर.
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ जब हम कोर्स पूरा कर लेंगे तो हम भी मेकअप ऐसा ही कर पाएंगे क्या?
इंशाल्लाह जरूर. Why not? Definitely. I think it is all creativity. It is all practice जो आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी. आप जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना बेहतर कर पाएंगे. And yeah, I think continuity and regularity and being punctual is what will make you reach here. And the most important thing जो मैं आप सबको बता रहा था और video pause हो गया is what I learned through my entire journey is having patience sets you wherever you want to be. मतलब अगर आपको
सर हम भी साथ, सर
हिंदी
आप
सॉरी
जब कराएं,
जी
जब आप हमें कराएंगे तो हम भी किसी को मतलब साथ में रखें मेकअप के लिए।
मैंने तो 3 साल किसी को
साथ
नहीं
के साथ
रखा 3 years are you talking about having an assistant
सर
प्रैक्टिकल किसको करेंगे?
practical के लिए obviously आपके घर में जो भी available है you can do it on them, you can do it on yourself, whatever you feel is right. Okay,
thank you sir.
last 3 minutes.
Sir.
Tell me.
I'm Famida. Actually, just explain me only one time the step by step what we have to use. The first concealer, then foundation. After that,
pen paper ले लो,
Yes.
ये मेरा last answer है and then we will meet
thank
in
you
the
so
class.
much. Really, thank you. Yes.
You're welcome. ठीक है. So the first step is cleanser, toner. If you don't have a toner, that is okay. Moisturizer. If you have oily skin, use gel-based moisturizer. If you have dry skin, then do use oil-based moisturizer. इसके बाद आता है आपका primer. Then you have color correction. After that, you have foundation. Then you have highlighting. Then you have contouring. Then you have powder. And after that, you have eyeshadows and your lenses and your lashes. And then you have your lipstick and then the hair and then the bye-bye.
So blusher.
Blusher.
Thank you, sir.
सर भूल गए आप।
गलतियां सबसे होती है सॉरी
सर आपका कोर्स ऑफलाइन करना है
जी बोलिए कुछ पूछ रहे हैं
सर अगर आपसे ऑफलाइन में सीखना है तो कहाँ पे है सर
हरियाणा में।
It is in Pune, MG Road camp, Central Street camp. हाँ
फीस क्या है सर आपके
जी
फीस क्या है
फीस है 20,000 रुपीज
ऑफलाइन का ऑनलाइन है सर ऑफलाइन का पूछ रही हूँ मैं
ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों की प्राइस सेम है यूजुअली इन द मार्केट the value of this course is approx 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. You can check it. I am not lying. But just because this institute is based on women empowerment, we do this for only 20,000 rupees. And I am a person who stands for women empowerment. मैं personally women empowerment के लिए हमेशा से stand करते आ रहा हूँ और हमेशा करूँगा. And that is why I am teaching all of you in such a cheaper rate.
सर मैं
ऑफलाइन वहीं पे आकर हम
Last one question, please tell me.
हम वहीं पे आकर आपके पास सीखना चाहेंगे
डिसाइड कर लो पहले कौन पूछेगा मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा
सर वुमेन की करोगे मैन की नहीं करोगे
ऑनलाइन 1 मिनट ऑनलाइन व्हाट
सर मैन की करोगे वुमेन की करोगे मैन की भी तो करो वुमेन की कर रहे हो आप
आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट आई एम सो सॉरी आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट आप पूछिए हाँ we have groom makeup also. See, I am not saying that. Can you please stop it? It is not like man or a woman. We institute this one particular, we have an NGO that is for women empowerment. And I did not mean that I am not targeting men at all. It is not like that. We have everybody. I myself am a man and I'm teaching here. So that question is completely incorrect. I'm sorry. Okay, please tell me your question now. Please tell me your question.
सर हम वहीं पे आपके पास आकर सीखना चाहेंगे तो भी हमें अवेलेबल है ना
Of course. और मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मजा आएगा अगर आप मेरे सामने बैठ के सीखोगे तो I would love it.
कितने दिन लगेंगे सर हमें सीखने में
ये सारी डिटेल हम आपको इस लाइव वीडियो के बाद सेंड कर देंगे थ्रू व्हाट्सएप
सर ओके सर
All right, thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to all of you. It was a pleasure teaching you. I hope to see most of the students coming in for
Thank
this.
you so
and we
much.
can start
Thank
this
you
journey
so
together.
much sir thank you so much
Adarsh,
really
you were the
In your
enjoyable
time.
Adarsh, you
you
were
so
the most loving and good, inspired teacher I have seen till
Thank
now,
you so much.
as I
Thank
am
you.
in this
सर मैंने
profession.
आपको
Thank
पहले
you
ही
so
बता
much.
दिया कि
Bye.
इतने देर से भी आपके क्लास में बोरिंग नहीं हुआ तो इसलिए आई रियली लाइक इट
Thank you so much. I'm glad you liked
दूसरों
it.
का जो क्लासेस होते हैं 1 आवर तक भी नहीं टिक पाती, मैं नींद आ जाती वहीं पे सो जाती हूँ क्लासेस में मतलब।
Thank you, thank
And
you.
you
there
are so
4
polite
hours.
and sweet kind of person.
Thank you so much. Can I get some compliments from men also if they want to give me? Whoever are here. Am I supposed to get something from them? Chaliye, thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting all of you. And if you guys really enjoyed meeting me, then do follow, like, comment, and share on all of our webinar pages. And if you want, give some love to my page also.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. See you all very, very soon. Sending you lots of love. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.